Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new and it's your first time visiting me, I hope that you will be motivated or inspired by something that I say or do in this video that will help you in your gardening journey. As most of you know, I have been doing a series on how to get your spring garden off of the ground working only 30 minutes a day. And the reason why I started doing this series because I shared with my subscribers that I have kidney failure and I had to start taking dialysis treatments and I had to take things a little bit easier. So I thought, wouldn't it be a great idea to share that with everybody? No matter what age you are, no matter what your disability is, I'm sure my channel will help you. Now, I've been offered a lot of opportunities to review a product and share my honest opinion about it. But since starting dialysis, when I would get those emails, guys, I didn't pay any attention to them. But this particular email that I received caught my attention because I scrolled down and I saw that it was elevated garden beds, and that fits perfectly into what I'm trying to do because I've been sharing with you all how I'm moving everything up off the ground so I don't have to do a lot of bending and stooping, right? I agreed to do the video and review these two products. Both of these beds are elevated and they are made of galvanized steel. Now I'm going to show you some footage of how my garden buddy helped me assemble them. He did most of the work. Guys, that's my grandson, Brian. Hello. He's 13 years old and he's been working on assembling this elevated raised garden bed for about 5 minutes. He already has one side panel, the bottom, two of the legs on already. It's very simple to assemble. The plastic is very easy to remove. So you can see I'm just gently pulling it down. Try to get it in one piece if you can. But if you can't, like right here, just go back. It easily peels off.
Hey everybody, it's me, Brian here. And I just got done putting together this garden bed for Bimon, and it was really easy. Usually she buys these cheap ones and they don't
oh, Brian, you didn't have to diss me like that. They weren't cheap, they were just flimsy.
Flimsy. And they were flimsy and like the angles they didn't align and I couldn't screw it in properly. But this one,
what do you mean aligned?
That means like I couldn't get the screws into the holes because like they weren't lined up with each other.
Right, but this one was properly aligned, right?
Yeah.
Perfectly, you said.
It was easy to build, and it's super sturdy, and it can withstand 600 pounds of force.
Look over right here. The drainage holes, I really like it. I really love that fact. I bought some before, I don't want to name what brands, and they had like a drainage hole on one side, then it would be wet in the middle. Water usually pools in the middle.
Guys, I also wanted to mention that it came with these gloves that you didn't really need because all the edges on this garden bed, they're smooth, so you can't cut yourself.
I bought some garden beds where you had to put a rubber strip all the way across the top to keep you from cutting yourself. But what they did with this garden bed is they bent it over so that there's no sharp edge and you won't cut yourself. Pretty cool. Here is the second elevated raised garden bed, and it's just a little bit smaller. I'll pop the dimensions in to be precise. It has wheels on it so you can use it on a patio or a terrace or any area that you want it in the garden. I love it. And it has this little handle here. And I'm thinking I could put my little bottles on it, my little spray bottles with my natural bug repellents. And just like the other one, it has the drainage hose in the middle because whoever designed this knows that water kind of gathers in the middle so it'll drain adequately. And then it has a shelf right here at the bottom, and it's very sturdy. And on this shelf, I can put other plants down there that would get ample sunlight depending on where you put it in your garden. It was very easy to assemble. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I will leave links to these two products in the comment section and the description box. I'm not making any money off of this review. I just gave my honest opinion. So there aren't any coupon codes or things like that. And that is because right now, both of them are on sale on Amazon. Really good deals. So good that I'm thinking about getting a couple more. All right. Thanks again for watching. You know that I love you and God loves you too. Bye now.